Hello, this is Justin from Fleet Profit Center, and we are going to go over how to get RF downloading working with the new 5.6 version of GeoTab when it's been previously upgraded from 5.5. So I've logged into the GeoTab system using Internet Explorer. I suggest using Internet Explorer for this because we need some of the functionality that's built into that browser. So once we're logged in, we go to Administration, and then System, Keys and RF, PC USB downloader. Now that opens up a little window that checks the internet, and if there's a new version of the software that needs to be downloaded, it will prompt you for a 20 megabyte download approximately. Just agree to that, and then it'll eventually open up this window here. This box will be unchecked once you upgrade. You will notice though you can't start it without credentials, so you have to put in your credentials. Bam. And once those are in, don't press the OK yet. This is what allows you to check box your enable. And now it'll tell you that it's processing either another database or that it's not processing at all. In either case, say yes to whatever it tells you. It's going to turn on the service in the background and you're good to go. From that point you can press OK. Now, if you have just recently been updated in September or late August, you likely are good to go now without any further steps. However, earlier upgraders experienced a bug and they're going to have to take an additional step, which is restarting the service in Windows. So to do that, we go to our Start button and we locate Computer, and we right-click on Computer and then we select Manage. Again, you're going to need administrator privileges if this is a more sophisticated organization. This is what it looks like in Windows 7. If we look at Windows XP, same sort of idea. My Computer. This may also be an icon on your desktop. Again, go to Manage, and you've got a window that looks like this. In either case, we're looking for an item that has services in the name. And we expand on it, and then we find the item that says services right here. So same thing in Windows 7, expand on it, click on services, and now we see all the services in the list. We want to scroll down to the G's and then locate GeoTab Checkmate right here. That opens up our options, and the options, if it is started already, which it should be, will be to restart. That's what we want to do. We want to reboot this background service. Just let those progress bars do its thing, and that's it. We're all done. We can now close it. If for some reason these two items aren't there, it might just say Start Service. That's fine. Click on Start. Same sort of thing happens. A progress bar occurs, and when it's done, that's great. We close it. That's basically it. At this point, the vehicle should be ready to download. Again, if you have vehicles that are already sitting in the yard, they don't just wake up and start downloading. They have to be prompted to download by turning on the ignition for about 5 seconds and shutting them off, and then that restarts their download cycle. If they're already out on the road, they'll come back to the yard and just download as normal. If there's a lot of data on that device, in other words, if you've been affected by the bug and you haven't downloaded in a week or two, expect some delays in those downloads, but they will come. Okay, thanks very much, and if you have any questions, please call or email Justin at Fleet Profit Center. Thank you very much.